vacations and we all are being at home. You all are being at home now, children? Yes. Why we are being at home? We all are being at home because of coronavirus. It is spreading day by day too much fast. So what we have to do now? You all have to be at home and maintain yourself. So take care of your health and eat healthy food and be at home. Don't go outside for unnecessary works like playing the games or going simply for market or any other silly works. If you need anything urgently like tablets or any home materials, then only go that also with your parents. Yes? Okay? Please take care of yourself, and till now we all enjoyed. I know that you all are being at home watching movies, playing and disturbing your parents also. Yes, now it's time to study. Now we'll start our academics and we'll start our chapters also. Okay, children? Yes. In your math subjects, we have that all chapters like previous year, what all chapters we have now, that all chapters we have now also. In these chapters, in this maths we have numbers, same chapters, previous year also in 4th standard, first chapter will be the numbers only. This year also we have first chapter, numbers only. But the next content, next level. Last year we studied only the main, like 3-digit numbers we learned, 4-digit numbers we learned, 5-digit numbers we learned. But now it go on. Increasing level of all the numbers. Okay? Okay, children, shall we start our syllabus now? Okay. Now, first chapter is numbers. You all know what is the number. You all know now what is the number, children? What is the number? For what we use the numbers? We use the numbers to construct the quantity. One number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು quantity. ಎಷ್ಟದ ನಮಗ ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂತೇನೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟದಾವ. Like for example, if I purchased a set of pens, ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೋ start counting the numbers. How many pens we have inside that box? We start counting the. For counting the numbers, we want counting. What we want? We want numbers. Whatever things will be there, we want numbers. Without numbers, we can't count only. We want numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You all know that. That all are numbers. We use that numbers in our daily life also. In this projector, we have this scene. Using Macmillan, we are showing you the chapters. Chapters, all the chapters, what all things you have in your books now, that all will come on the board. Okay? Please open your book also and concentrate on me also. Okay. Before starting our chapter, first they given one general question. Like previous year question only this is. Okay. What they asked, the number name of this one, 265329. What is the number name? How will you read it? How you read this number? They given a commas also. Yes. How you will read then? Okay. I will help you. How to read this number? 2,65,329. This is what? 2,65,329. What you have to do now? Here you have to write the number name. Number name means writing in the word format. Okay? 65,000. Next number what? 65,300 and 29. This is what? This is the number name. This is the number name of this number. Here they given a number now. This I wrote in the word format. That is called as the number name. Okay? You all know the lakhs, crores and hundreds, thousands now. We write like this. Okay? Next question. The predecessor of 93,496. What is the meaning of predecessor now, children? You all studied last year. Predecessor means what? before number, what all things are there, what all numbers are there, minus of 1, we get what? Predecessor. Okay, here we have what number we have? 93,496. So before number, what is the before number of this one? What we have to do? We have to just minus 1. Then what we get now? We get 93,495. This is the predecessor of this number. Predecessor means minus 1. Successor means plus 1. Yes, in previous year we studied this. We studied on only 5-digit number and the 4-digit numbers. But this year we have a more than 5-digit and more than 6-digit also. With that we apply the predecessors and we apply the successors also. Okay children, you all understood what is the predecessor and successor? We'll move on to our chapter now. Okay, let's starting what they given. Let us revise the numbers we have learned in our previous numbers. Open page number 76, all of you. Open page number 76. Keep your finger on your book. Okay, they given all the 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers and 8-digit numbers. In previous year we all studied this. Which is the smallest 4-digit number, which is the largest 4-digit number, which is the largest 5-digit number, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Same like 6-digit number, 7-digit number and the 8-digit number. You all know this. Yes? We'll write it on the board. Okay. The smallest 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number. Okay, now tell me, what is the smallest 4-digit number? Only 4 numbers have to come, huh? Not more than 4 number. So, which is the smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4-digit number will be what? 1000. Smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Largest 4-digit number will be. Why the difference is both are 4-digit only, but the number differs. Here 1000 is there. Here 9999. This also 4-digit only, and this also 4-digit. But when we read it, in reading only we understand 1000 is a lesser than 9000. Yes? How the? If you cash kotta 9000 dot do sando in 1000 dot do. Easily you can find it na. 1000 is the smallest number. 9000 is the biggest number. Like this we write for 4-digit numbers. Smallest 4-digit number, smallest 5-digit number. Same like when we write on a 5-digit number. Same, only numbers increase. Okay, now tell me 5-digit numbers. Smallest 5-digit numbers. This 4 adava. ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾ 5-digit ಆಗಬೇಕು. So what we have to do? Just we are adding 0. One more 0 there. Here I'm adding one more 9 here. Now read it. Which is the biggest now? Which is the biggest now? This is the biggest number. This is a 10,000. This is a 99,999. This is the biggest number and this is the smallest number. But here the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The largest 5-digit number will be 99,999. Okay. Same like we'll move on to 6-digit number now. Now 6-digit numbers. How many digits we have to write there? 6. So what we have to add now? One more 0 here. One more what? 0. Here one more 9. So now commas will change. Commas will change. So where we have to write the comma now? After 1, after 2 zeros and 3 zeros. Here 9, Now, can you see the difference there? Here we are adding one more 0. Here I'm adding one more 9. So how many digits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are writing 6 digit numbers, and we are writing 6 digits there. So 1 lakh and here 9,99,999. Which is the greatest here? 9 lakh is the greatest. 1 lakh is a smaller number. After 1 lakh 9 lakh will come. Not after 9 lakh 1 lakh barala. 1 lakh ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 9 lakh ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So we have to understand the difference. After 1 9 will come. Okay. So which is the greatest here? 9 lakh is the greatest number. So 6 digit number, can you understood? Same like 7 digit now. Only I am changing the numbers. Only I am increasing the digits there. Only I am increasing the digits here. Again I am adding one more 0. Here I am adding one more 9. Again it is a 10 lakh. Here 99 lakh. Understood? Here I am adding one more digit there. There I am adding one more digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits we have. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit number. This is 10 lakh and this is 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. Same like again I am doing with a 8 digit number. Now what I have to do? Again I am adding one more 0 here. Here I am adding one more 9. Now commas will change again. Commas will change again. Now read it. Now what will come? We get 1 crore here. We get 1 crore. Here we get 9 crores. 8 digit number. Which is the greatest then? 9 crore is biggest or 1 crore is biggest? Easily we can find that 9 crore is the biggest number and 1 crore is the smallest number. These all things we studied last year only. In 4th standard only we studied these all things. Now just what I am doing? Just I am revising the numbers, because without this we can't do the numbers and we can't play with numbers. Without knowing these all things. These all are the basic knowledge of numbers. Digits. Digits means what? Numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there now. That all are called as a digits. Okay, digits. These all are 7 digit numbers, 6 digit numbers, 5 digit numbers, 4 and 8 digit numbers. Smallest and largest numbers you all understood? Yes now? Okay, we'll move on to the next level. Next is Indian place value chart. What is the meaning of Indian place value chart? What is the meaning of place value? You all know what is the meaning of place value? Place value means in which place it is. Which place the number is. In which place the number is. Okay. You all know 10, ones, hundreds, thousands, lakhs place. Yes. All numbers have their particular place. Yes. All numbers. For example, I am writing here 10. 10. In which place 0 is? In which place 0 is and in which place 1 is? Huh? Here it is in a 1's place. Here it is in a 10's place. Yes? Yes now? Place value. All numbers have their place value. All numbers. Not only 10 I am telling. However, you go on increasing the numbers. Like hundreds I am writing. This is a 1's place. This is a 10's place. And this is a hundreds place. Same like when I write 1000 here. When I write 1000, 1's place, 10's place, hundreds place and thousands place. All numbers have their own place value. Yes, in this place value we have one particular chart only. To make you to understand, we have one chart. Okay, I will draw it on the board. Here only in your book also we have here. See, here we have one chart. This is called as a place value chart. Okay, here we have some of the places. 1's place we have, 1000's place we have, lakhs place we have and crores place we have. Okay, crores, lakhs Ones will divide to ones, tens and hundreds place. We have 3 here. Again the 3 place we get. Again when we go to thousands place, we have 1000 and 10,000. ಹೌದಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1000 ಒಳಗೆ 10000 ಬರ್ತದ and 1000 ಬರ್ತದ. Again lakhs place ಒಳಗೆ again we get 10 lakh and 1 lakh. Same like in crores also. 1 crore, 10 crore. In this we have two parts, but only in ones place we have 3 because we have a ones place also, tens place also and hundreds place also. Yes, this is the place value chart. Using this place value chart, we write the place value of each number. Whatever numbers they will give, we can easily write the place value. Okay children, understood what is the place value and the digits of giving the digit numbers, which is the largest and the smallest numbers. Okay, tomorrow again we'll move on to the place value and solve the problems, and next level what all things are there we'll study it in the next class. Okay children, bye.